Stell has the ability to initialize conveyors with a array slice, which is convenient if you have a number of elements and you'd like to pull data in from a file or another location. However, if you've got different transit times in the array, this becomes difficult because the array dimensions need to exactly match the number of elements indicated by the transit time. We have in Stell 3.5 enhanced the ability to specify exactly what the slice is, and we could now use the transit time over dt, the array range notation where you start with 1 and go up to transit time over dt, so this is a subset of all the initial values. And we do that, we can see that the array elements disappear. We can also see that there are the error message disappears. There are a different number of elements in the array based upon the transit time because I've set the initial values to 1 for all of the different elements.